Get cozy, here we go! Hey, as promised, here is the video that you've all been waiting for. Special day. I had to go to a couple Starbucks to get these. Some rude baristas. I get it, COVID, you're stressed, but I'm stressed too. In case if you're watching this, stop. I do have an insider barista that's been kind of looping me in on some things. She was able to let me know that these cups would be coming. Unfortunately, when I did go to the store, she lied. They didn't have it. So yeah, that was my trek to going to all these different stores. She's not my insider anymore. So just to start things off, there are two. I have the color changing and I have the Bedazzled Rhinestone Pride 26-ounce tumbler. Actually, I'm going to start with the one that no one cares about and make you wait longer for the one that you actually clicked on the video for. Sorry. Also, I will be deleting all the comments with timestamps to how to get to the color changing because honestly, it's not fair. I make these videos and I expect, everyone to watch them. This is my main source of income, so it's kind of rude. Timestampers, I will be deleting your comments, so don't even try. Alright, so here is the 2020 Rhinestone Bedazzled Rainbow 26-ounce tumbler. You know what, first things first, I'm really glad Starbucks this year decided to do the Roy G. Biv on the rainbow. Last year was some of the products, not just Starbucks, but some of the products that I've seen, they're not really following the Roy G. Biv. Personally, it's not a big issue in my mind, but it's something that I notice, and I know other people have too. It's just, guys, come on, it's Pride, it's June, it's the only month, give us what we want. I do want to highlight that these are real ridges. They do make sound, and they do give you goosebumps. They do give you goosebumps when you slide your hand around the cup. Something that last year's cup really lacked. Unfortunately, I don't have last year's cup with me. Do want to take a look at this lid. It's kind of like a sneaker. And then this is Kaleidoscope. It's just really cool. Maybe I can, yeah, there you go. I don't know. Give this product, I don't know, I'd say a 7 out of 10. And last but definitely not least, guys, I do have the color changing cup. Just give a quick 360 here. And let's go ahead and unbox it. So on the back, as I'm doing this, it does say, just add ice to conjure. Interesting verb, conjure. And on top, it looks like we do have the lids. Very cool. Again, I'm noticing the Roy G. Biv in the packaging already. This is, I guess, tomato. It is peach. I'm gonna do this with everyone just so you can see that it's see-through. C-I, you can see through it. This is marigold. This one's definitely very see-through. This is C, that's not S-E-E, that's S-E-A, again. And Cobalt. Fun fact, I actually had a Chevy Cobalt a couple of years ago. Got an accident, whatever. That's another video, but for now we're just gonna... Now this is a pack of 5. They only come in a pack of 5. Tomato. This is peach. Marigold. C, S-E-A. And Cobalt. I'm not trying to break the packaging in case I need to resell them on eBay. I'm gonna do this a little more quickly because no one cares about the straws. Tomato, we've got peach, we've got marigold, we've got C, we've got Cobalt, okay. And then the cute thing about this is you can kind of mix and match. So oh, cute Cobalt and marigold. Little thing, and then you can mix them. Oh, this is Princess Peach. Got a few here. 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 And here. I'm getting a little tired, so I'm gonna probably tap out on this video. If you're new here, this video, it does help me out a lot. You can subscribe also to my channel if you liked this video. Maybe comment Just support local businesses, guys. A lot of coffee shops are struggling right now because of COVID. Yeah, as much as I love Starbucks, like, eat the rich. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe again, and I'll see you in the next one with the color changing.